A kind-hearted woman saw a puppy drowning, so she immediately jumped into the water to rescue it, and that's when a wonderful series of events unfolded. She hurriedly took the puppy home to dry it off. The puppy looked as if it were feeling shy. The puppy sensed her kindness as well. It had been sleeping peacefully at home, completely unaware of its surroundings, but when it woke up and realized it was the woman who had saved it, its tail immediately began to wag, as if to say thank you. When I take my puppy out to play, he acts really funny. But when I took it home to give it a bath, the look on its face seemed to say that it was terrified of water, probably due to the trauma of a near drowning. To comfort the puppy, the woman thoughtfully prepared a lovely dog bed for it, and the puppy was comforted once again. What's even more interesting is that its ears are so big that when it eats, they get pinned back like a ponytail. Now that we've seen its cute side, let's take a look at its goofy side too. It doesn't even recognize itself anymore. Ha ha ha.